of the lock body. Then set the handing of the lock. Pull and twist to change direction. Then remove the plastic keeper. Now you're ready to fit the lock body into the door. Feed the cable through the middle hole to the inside. Make sure the cable can move freely and doesn't get trapped or pinched once the lock body is screwed in. Hold the keypad up to the door edge and mark the tail bar at the center of the lock. As we're using a 48mm door for this instructional video, the center line is the second line from the bottom. Trim the tail bar just below this mark and make sure there is no rough edges. Now fit the keypad onto the door, ensuring that the tail bar is vertical. Then fit the mounting plate on the inside of the door to hold the external keypad in place. Feed the white cable through the top slot and the black cable through the smaller hole furthest from the latch. Choose the correct length screws for the door. Again, for a 40mm door, these will be the shortest length provided. Tighten the screws, making sure not to tighten them too much, as this could compress the door and bind the lock. Next, take the screwdriver and check the operation of the bolt on the inside to make sure that it throws easily. Also, check that it can't be pushed back in each time. If the bolts can be pushed in, you'll need to remove the external keypad, turn the tail bar 180 degrees, and put it back on again. Hold the internal half up to the door and mark the tail bar at the center of the lock. Trim just below this line and remove any burrs as before. Next, plug the white and black cables into the circuit board, like so. Push as much as you can of the white cable back into the door cavity, and make sure the cables won't be pinched when you fit the internal assembly. Now attach the internal assembly to the mounting plate with the 6 screws provided. Once fitted, test that the internal snib turns freely, and also test the keys in the lock, ensuring the bolt can't be pushed back in each time. Finally, insert the 4 AA batteries provided and check everything works. Make sure the middle button below the handle is sticking out and the green color should be showing on the lock-unlock switch. Hold up the white strike pocket and the strike to the frame and screw both into place using the screws provided. The white strike pocket must be used to ensure the correct clearance for the bolt. If you have any problems with the installation of the strike, a strike kit for aluminium frames is available separately. This provides a rolled lip and includes required packers for the fitment. If the door handle is not working, you may have forgotten to turn off the child safety function. To turn it off, simply use an Allen key inside the battery cover to fix the button in the down position. Never try and disassemble the lock yourself to fix a problem. This could cause the lock to stop operating and will also affect your warranty.